motherfucking word. So, everybody just talking about what he can do to me lyrically up on the motherfucking mic. I doubt that motherfuckers really know about his life when he was busy smoking on a pipe and sucking dick for some coke, little punk bitch. And your bitch suck dick, you a punk bitch. I give it to you raw, no surprise. Your bitch fucked doobie and ran through fast. But I guess you really not surprised. They hit that somebody new up in her thighs. A little birdie told me she was picking guys out like a box of McDonald's fries. Can we please explain why your bitch was texting all on Facebook, giving roach protection? Meanwhile, I'm sitting in the lab perfecting words like a Costa Nostra new connection. These here are words that I blow through sections. You battling me, it's an open question. You get no respect when I come in, so shut the fuck up, let me teach my lesson. I hate you, you racist piece of shit, you son of a bitch. I swear to God, you gon' see me again. Don't nobody even like you, bitch. Who can kill yourself before you end up on the pipe again? You said nigga with an ER, be smart, cause I think that you think that's what we are. You will never be the man as you used to, and you will never be a man, but you used to. Maybe you should go and find a hotel and get fucked by a tranny, cause I heard that you used to. Oh, that's the life that you used to. Your booty hole probably open like a donut, fag, but you a thug and you go nuts. When a beef on thug never shows up, but I bet you can beat your wife, coming home drunk, smoking on that pipe. You mad cause she burned your food? I'm more pissed off cause she fucked that dude. Or could it be answer 3? You pissed off cause you caught her texting me. Good lord, I am the worst. When it come to dropping heat, I drop first. Look, it don't matter what you say about me, homeboy, cause I already know where you hurt, and I'm poking and prodding, leaving you dead on your side. And niggas is talking, been lying. Cause the way that I hit you, nigga, ain't even about to feel it, or he ain't gon' survive it. Bitch, you a hoe. You suck dick for a rock. I'ma make sure that everybody know. Let's put it on the floor. The fresh maker faggot that said you could beat me, I guess he didn't know. But now I think he do. As far as I'm concerned, by the way I'm thinking about it, homegirl, who is you? And you can save your breath. You ain't even gotta answer the question. I already know you a hoe too. So what you gon' do? Don't even consider hitting me up on Facebook, telling me shit that you go through, cause really that's on you. Now how you look sending your bitch to talk shit? Now that was